is Noah, and now we're gonna make a Star Wars video about a robot Stormtrooper, and here it is. So we're gonna unbox it, and let's start unboxing. I've learned that it would be nicer if I don't... this guy's on his head, hold up. That I would open it up like this. Yeah, his gun went onto his head. Let me just put that out of the way. Look, this is his little gun. Pew, pew, pew. And here he is. So we turn on. Actually, yeah, I'll just turn it on.
Acknowledged. Beginning equipment check.
Okay, this Stormtrooper is moving all by itself for no reason, but like, I really like Star Wars, and everyone, me and my brother, Mom and Dad have watched every single Star Wars movie, or episode as they call it. And well, yeah. Star Wars is one of my favorite films, and my brother's favorite. We've watched Mandalorian. You remember the Stormtroopers? They couldn't aim at all. They couldn't shoot. Now they can only shoot in armor. What's wrong with the Stormtroopers? Okay, and we're gonna edit out the part that we do all that dress and that stuff, so.
Acknowledged. Beginning equipment check.
He's looking at his equipment. He's checking if he can walk, he's checking if he can move his arms. Now he's checking again. Now for his head. Yeah, that's it. And like here you can see the box too. You see like unboxing 2 here, and well, he kind of has like a light, an application, a camera, a game on the application. And I was in Disneyland in LA sometime, and then like there was a ride of Star Wars that you went up and then down, but when he went down, it was a free fall, and we just did that a million times. And then when we got off the ride, I was crying because I thought we were gonna hit the bottom, and then just, yeah. Bye, see you next video.